Biokera Vegan hair color and hair color treatment is organic, 100% plant-based, and connects us with our origins. It offers us a carefully selected blend of plants used in Ayurvedic medicine, which together with our current knowledge allows us to create vegan hair color that's natural, effective, and full of benefits for the hair and scalp. Biokera Vegan colors hair while caring for the hair and scalp at the same time, thanks to its Ayurvedic formulations and the quality of the plants used. How does Biokera Vegan work? The process step by step. Wash the hair. We wash the hair and pat dry with a towel to remove excess water. Conditioners and oils should not be used, as they can impede the action of the plant hair dye. Weigh the product. Don't use metallic utensils, as they can affect the hair color results. Weigh the plant color in a bowl and slowly add hot water in a 1:3 ratio or until you have the right consistency. The water temperature should be between 90 and 100 degrees Celsius. Mix until you have an even paste. The mixture should be sufficiently fluid to penetrate the hair well, but sufficiently thick to prevent dripping during the exposure time. Leave to rest for 10 minutes. We leave the mixture to rest for 10 minutes, covering the bowl with plastic wrap that should be touching the product to prevent water loss and improve efficiency. Application. You can apply a skin protector around the hairline to prevent the skin from becoming strained during application. Use gloves to stop your hands becoming strained. We make the first partition in a triangular form on the center of the crown and use our fingers to apply the product to fine strands, making sure to put plenty of the product on the top and bottom of the strand. We smooth the product down the entire hair strand to the ends, massaging to help the product penetrate. Twist the strands into a turban-like shape on the crown to lock moisture in effectively. It's important to apply plenty of product to ensure optimum results. Exposure time. Once application is complete, then we place a strip of cotton to protect the hairline, wrapping all of the hair up in plastic wrap and leave to process. Exposure time can vary between 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the hair tone used and the desired intensity. If the product is applied as a hair care treatment, then 30 minutes will be enough. The result will depend on the initial color and hair condition, as well as the application process and exposure time. If a high percentage of gray is present, then we recommend prolonging the exposure time. Rinse off with water only. Conditioner can be used if necessary. Washing after application. Don't use shampoo for a minimum of 24 to 48 hours to avoid interfering with color development and setting. The color tone will evolve and stabilize, establishing greater chromatic uniformity from root to middle and ends, as well as improved gray coverage. Additional aspects to keep in mind before using Biokera Vegan hair color. Use gloves. You can use a skin protector around the hairline to prevent the skin from becoming strained during application. All of the colors tend to become darker or more intense during the 24 to 48 hours following application. All of the colors tend to become darker or more intense during the 24 to 48 hours following application. Some of the colors, for example, V-Dark and V75, can produce green hues, but these tones disappear and evolve into more neutral ones after 24 to 48 hours. BKV Neutralizer has been designed specifically to temporarily neutralize these unwanted hues while the plant pigments continue developing. This hair color is capable of gray color, but the resulting color on this type of hair will be lighter or more vibrant due to the base tone. When we want to obtain dark tones on white hair or hair with a high percentage of gray, the process should be done in 2 stages. The initial stage being a pre-pigmentation process. First, an orange or red tone, V44 or V64, is applied, which acts as a pre-pigmentation base, improving adherence or intensity of the second tone applied, V74, V75, or V dark. If the hair is very light or bleached, a prior strand test is recommended.